Today is my daughter's birthday. She turns 17. Do some greens. It's wash day. However, I get to show you guys the blow dryer that I got from Amazon and how it works. To bring to you my new fragrance of the month, which is Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy. Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? It is a new week. It is Monday, May the 12th. Today is my daughter's birthday. She turns 17 today. I'm on my way to pick her up a cake. It is a Monday. We're not going to be doing anything today, really. We will be doing something for her on the weekend. She does want to go to see Final Destination. Day. I just got home not too long ago. I got up early today to bring my daughter to get her health card renewed. Her health card expired, as well as the babies. So I just hit two birds, one stone, and got up real early today and went and got it done. They opened at 9. I wanted to be there at 8 to be like first in line or like semi-close. We didn't end up getting there like until a little bit, like maybe 8:20-ish. And let me tell you guys, there was a line already. I wish I recorded it, but I didn't. There was a line already. And then by the time 9 o'clock came around, there was the line was going out the parking lot pretty much. So I'm glad I followed my mind and got up, because we wouldn't be home right now. We'd be still in that damn place. I'm actually about to do some greens right now. making juice and I was just chilling downstairs scrolling. Came up for that. I do want to wash my hair. I think that's why I've been like hesitant. It's wash day. However, I get to show you guys the blow dryer that I got from Amazon and how it works after a fresh wash. And I'll probably be putting that video on my, what's it called, Amazon storefront as well. Yes. We're going to check this out. Yeah. I'm just gonna separate or part my hair into 4 and detangle, and then we are going to wash. Right, so we are done. Parted it, not evenly, may I add, but it's parted, it's detangled. Especially the backs. That's usually like the worst place for me, is in the back. The back gets really tangled. I was able to really get in there, so I should be good. All right, so we are gonna go in with the blow dryer. I did talk about this a little bit in my last Amazon haul, but now we're actually going to use it. All right, so this is the levels: high, medium, low. We're gonna go high, obviously. I do not have any heat protectant, unfortunately. I can't remember when I went to the hair store. This is literally all that's left. Do you guys see how easy that was? Like, oh. The thing is, I wish it could be just a little higher. For me, it sounds weak, but the heat coming out of it ain't weak. I'll be back. I will show you guys a little bit in between the blow dryers, but I won't record the whole thing because it's gonna be a minute. But I'll see you guys when I'm more at the top of my hair. We are done. Hair is up. I'm about to braid my hair. This is the hair oil I am currently using. I don't really do too neatly. I'll leave it messy. Because one, I don't like that tug feeling in the back of my neck.
Alright, that's fine. Smell it. Smell a little bit. You want a little break?
They just told me to take a break and use some banana and plantain porridge. So good. Ooh, and some cheese bread. Ooh. Anybody else do that? This is it right here. Big bowl. Probably gonna put me to sleep after this. Alright guys, we are done. Finally. So I got my little leave that out. It might even be too much, but it's fine. I can always brush what I don't need back. No, sorry about that. I touched the stop. So I'm oiled. If you touch it, my protective style, nothing too serious, not even straight. Brush again for another few weeks. Alright, we're done. Yeah, I kind of like this color better on me. When I was editing my last video, where it looked like I had nothing on, but I had such a dress on, I was looking at the color against my skin. I'm like, this is my color. Way better than the blonde. Or at least that blonde. I need like a dirty blonde, not that blonde. Alright, I have to put the lashes back on and we're good to go. We're done, guys. Finally, we're done. Wash day is over. I'm gonna go lay down and stretch out. I've been in this position for hours. Like my butt and my legs are numb. I'm just gonna sweep up my mess. There's hair all on the floor. I'm gonna sweep up my mess and then go chill for the rest of the day. But the girl is back. Hair is washed. Brush hair in. The next time I take my hair out, I'll be relaxing it. Maybe we'll see. We'll see. I don't know yet. I might just do another wash with a different shampoo. Hey guys, I'm not sure what happened to the footage where I was talking to you guys about the shampoo that I believe is tangling my hair. It is the Aunt Elsie shampoo. I'll put a clip of it in here if I remember. It's an Aunt Elsie shampoo, and I had detangled my hair and everything. And after I washed it, there was a big knot in my hair. It was unreal, and it's not the first time it's happened. It's the second time. I was explaining all of this. I don't know where the footage went. So that is what I was talking about when I said when I use a different shampoo, because I will be using a different shampoo. I will no longer be putting that shampoo in my hair. And just do another protective style again. I technically relax my hair when I can't manage it anymore, so far it's okay. Alright guys, so if anything, I will see you guys later or tomorrow.
Give me a run.
got back in. Had a great day today. She enjoyed herself. The movie, if you guys haven't seen Final Destination, if you're into that gory stuff, go check it out, but it was just too much. Too much. But other than that, I'm just gonna make dinner and relax for the rest of the day because I have work tomorrow. Probably enjoy the rest of the sun. Maybe we'll go out for a little walk, me and babe. Yeah, I'll even do a live soon, so look out for that. Haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking about it because for some reason my views are just dropping like flies, and sometimes it's very discouraging, very depressing, because you put so much work into these videos and like it's like you're just going backwards every day. Every day it drops, or every 3 days it drops. It just drops. I've never seen it go up. It just drops, or it stops and then it drops, and then stops and then drops. I don't get it. And all the reviews that I've been looking at, a lot of people have experienced the same issue, even like 4 years ago, and had no reason for it, didn't know how to resolve it, didn't know how to stop it. Still happening to this day. So I don't know. I'm just gonna continue to upload and pray that my work will pay off. That's all I can say. I wasn't recording this whole time. Wow. So you guys didn't get my first impression on that perfume, but it is what it is. So I'm here to bring to you my new fragrance of the month. Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy. And the scents that they have in here is blackberry, Italian, bergamot, pear, jasmine, and marshmallow. As I was saying when I thought I was recording, I don't even know how these pair like that, like marshmallow. How do you get the scent of marshmallow? And then they also sent me this too. I guess it's some premium fragrances. Maybe these ones last longer. I don't know. So it says discover our collection of over 30 premium fragrances. So I'm wondering if those ones will last long, if they're stronger. Curated in collaboration with the Neiman Marcus fragrance buyers. With every Neiman Select Scents purchase, you'll receive a complimentary dark gray optimizer case. But I think this one's lasting. I just sprayed it on me when I thought I was recording. It smells really good, guys. It really does. I don't smell any of these scents. I don't smell pear. I don't smell marshmallow. I don't smell jasmine. I don't smell blackberry. But all I know, it smells good. It smells really good. And it smells like it's lasting too. Okay, so I guess I just have to focus on ones that are more high-end. I do want to try a different perfume brand. They're another like perfume dupes, like they provide you with scents that are duplicated but smell exactly like the expensive ones. I do want to try them. I forgot what they're called, but I do want to try them. I'm actually going to look them up shortly. I do want to try them and see how much they are going for a month. But yeah, this one is lasting, most definitely. This one is lasting. So Sweet Like Candy, Ariana Grande. I don't know how much it is retail, but it smells good. But yeah, that's it, guys. I wanted to end off this vlog with that perfume of the month, which is Ariana Grande, Sweet Like Candy. I don't know what's going on with the weather. Like, it's just gloomy and dark and windy. It's just, what is this? It's almost June, and this is what we're going on with. I do hope you guys enjoyed it. Do hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video.